In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an out-of-office auto-reply in Outlook. If you are stepping away from your inbox, an automatic reply lets people know you are unavailable and when you'll be back. I'll show you the process for both new Outlook and Outlook on the web. And then for classic Outlook on Windows, so you can follow the path that matches what you see on your screen. If you are using new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by opening Settings. Look to the top right corner of Outlook and click the gear icon. In the Settings panel, navigate to Accounts, then choose Automatic Replies. This is where you control whether Outlook sends an auto reply on your behalf. Turn the Automatic Replies toggle to On. As soon as it's on, Outlook is ready to send replies to incoming messages. If you want it to run only during a specific window, check the option that says Send Replies Only During a Time Period. Then set your start and end times. Scheduling is useful if you know exactly when you'll be away and want Outlook to stop replying automatically when you are back. When you are finished, make sure to save your changes by clicking Save or OK. Depending on the prompt you see, once saved, Outlook will handle the rest until you turn it off or until the scheduled time ends. If you are using classic Outlook on Windows, the controls live on the File tab. Click File in the top left corner to open the Backstage view. Select Automatic Replies, which may appear as Automatic Replies out of Office. In the dialog that opens, choose Send Automatic Replies to enable the feature. If your time away has a defined start and end, check Only Send during this time range, then set your dates and times. This prevents accidental, all-day replies after you've returned. When everything looks right, click OK to confirm. Outlook will now send automatic replies based on the settings you chose and will stop automatically when the time range ends, or when you come back and disable the feature. A quick note on choosing the right path: new Outlook and Outlook on the web share a similar layout with a simplified settings panel, while classic Outlook uses the file menu. If you are unsure which you are in, look for the gear icon and settings panel versus the file tab in the top left. That's it. Thanks for watching.